It's not necessary to remove the front wheels and tires, but we did so for clarity of installation. The first thing we're going to do is remove the 6 screws holding the bumper tubes onto the factory winch mount. Then remove the 2 10mm bolts securing the winch mount to the fascia. Now remove the bolt that goes to the frame and attaches to the winch mount. You want to do this for both sides. Remove these 2 bolts. And then remove the winch mount. Once you've removed your factory winch mount, you're going to go ahead and remove these 2 clips located on the top of the winch mount. And then we're going to install these to our SuperATV winch mount. Since we're using a 5,000-pound winch today, we're going to bolt our fair lead directly to our winch mount. If you were using a 3,500-pound winch, you'll have to use the adapter. Once you have the fair lead on, you're going to grab your winch. Start sliding your rope through your fair lead. Once you get it started, pick the winch up, move it into position. Then you'll want to take your provided hardware with the winch kit. Go ahead and fully tighten it. You're going to flip it over like this. Slide the black portion of your winch rope down in there, the sleeve. Then you're going to take your stop block, install it to the winch rope, making sure that the SuperATV is facing away from the winch mount. We're going to take a clevis hook, pull our pin out of it, line it up with the rope, put the pin back through, put the cotter pin in. We're going to lay the winch mount back flat. Now we're going to take our clips that we took off our factory winch mount, make sure that the threaded portion is facing inward towards the machine. Just pop them right on, just like that. Now we're ready to get our winch mount and winch installed on the machine. We're going to install the winch mount. The first bolts that we're going to put through are going to be through the side, that are going to go through the side of the winch mount here. They're going to go through the frame here. Install these 2 bolts, install these 6, and then install these 2. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's winch mount on this Can-Am Maverick Trail. For more information on this winch mount or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.